All right, so good morning, everybody. You guys are just hopping on. Just got through charting a little bit in the Discord. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with our news. Um, really quickly, I'll give everybody just a second to hop on. If you guys are on TikTok, remember to tap your screen. Appreciate it.
CYTO, Antiviral Therapeutics, Senate for 5 to take effect of the
Alrighty. Um, I'm gonna mute my boy Charlie really quick. All right, so really quickly, let's go ahead and go over a couple of brief headlines. So, Wall Street futures rose as Apple shares gained, and investors focused. Oh wait, is that the right one? Yeah, that kind of felt like the wrong headline for a second. Apple, what? Apple shares gained, and investors focused on another round of earnings to gauge the strength of corporate America. European shares were trading higher ahead of the ECB policy meeting this week. Japanese shares ended with modest gains as investors shied away from big moves ahead of the Bank of Japan's policy meeting this week. The euro rallied against the dollar, while gold prices firmed. Oil prices softened on expectations that U.S. inventories may have risen last week. Netflix is expected, of course, to report second quarter earnings after the market close. U.S. Senate is trying again for a computer chip bill to compete with China over a year after passing its first version of the bill boosting semiconductor competition with China. The U.S. Senate is due to begin voting on Tuesday after it slimmed down a version of legislation to provide more than $50 billion in subsidies for the computer chip industry. Um, Johnson Johnson profit outlook takes a knock from a stronger dollar. That's awesome. We might see some reflection in mRNA. Bank data shows U.S. consumer financial health hold up against amid rising inflation at the moment. Financial health held up against the second quarter, even as inflation sent gas and grocery bills higher and ate into savings for the first time since the pandemic, U.S. bank executives have stated. Um, let's see here. So IBM, the IT hardware service company, beat quarterly revenue expectations on Monday, but warned that the hit from Forex from the year earlier could be about $3.5 billion due to a strong dollar. A hawkish Federal Reserve and heightened geopolitical tensions have driven gains in the dollar against a basket of currencies over the last year, prompting companies with sizable and international operations, including Microsoft, Salesforce, to temper expectations. On earnings calls, CFO James Kavanaugh told analysts both currency headwinds and impact from exiting Russia operations has put pressure on IBM near-term results, but reiterated the company's full-year forecast of hitting the upper end of mid-single-digit revenue at constant currency. So, um, all right, that is about it. Russia is getting Russian competition authorities said it was going to fine the U.S. tech giant for violating Russia antitrust laws and abusing its dominant position in the App Store market. That's it. All right, so let's take a look at the economic calendar for today. We've got July 19th, housing starts, building permits. Those numbers have already come out. So we are data free for the most part. Um, Never know what someone might say. Earnings today, of course, we talked about it. We got Netflix. I will be keeping my eyes peeled on my white screen, apparently. Um, I am going to be watching a couple of different stocks, but next week is when really things kick off for me. Wednesday, though, there is some interesting setups, including Tesla, Alcoa, that could offer some interesting straddles going into earnings. And then going into the rest of the week, Twitter, Verizon, and Cleveland Cliffs as well. So, oh damn, 150% on that. That's nice. What's up, Mike? Doesn't Yellen speak today? Uh, let's Let me see what she does. I didn't see anything about it. That's right. Brainerd. Oh, she is speaking. That evil woman is speaking today. That's funny. Um, Netflix earnings going up or down? I don't know. It goes both ways. It goes up, down, all around, shakes it all around. Oh my God, that's it. It's not Flix. They're gonna have to sell out to Redbox.
Raising prices and stuff. Like, bucks.
Damn.
Yeah, dude. Oh, good morning, my friend.
Time to jack that price up.
Good morning, man.
Um. Anyway, so that's about it as far as news, earnings, and all that other good stuff. So that brings me to the watch list. So I am paying attention to Baba today. Again, we did see a falling wedge 15 minute yesterday. Kind of warned any of you guys who were watching Baba. We got that bounce. I told you guys that there's two levels I'm going to be watching, and maybe it will help if I do this. It's right here. So we need to make it above 105.25 in order to see Baba make any moves to the upside. And from there, I do have a speculative downtrend from our recent high right about there. So you could expect Baba to retest 106. If it breaks 106, I've got a retest level of 107. Am I going to play Baba to the upside? Absolutely not. If it moves up and rejects either the 106 or 105.85, we'll see which level it chooses. It's usually a 50% retracement of the pattern itself when it comes to a falling wedge, and we're right about there. So I'll be looking for a gap fill to the downside, hopefully to steamroll us a little bit lower. Hold on one second. So yeah, kind of steamroll us a little bit lower, and I actually have a way better setup here. Let me show you guys what this looks like on with after hours or extended hours, excuse me. But this is right here. I need to fix it.
This daily charts are wired.
Bobble?
No, just every.
Oh yeah, everything's is consolidating into earnings. Like it's just shit chopping crazy in range. Yeah, right. Straight up, dude. Baba did. Oh, good heavens. Sorry, I was winding that one up. So yeah, definitely. I would say it's pretty imperative to reject 104.50 at the bell if we're going to continue to the downside. That is my downtrend here. So that would be kind of nice to see Baba reject that. If it does, then we've got gaps to the downside. Again, this gap closes at 102.25. And then we also have the daily setup where we're looking for Baba to potentially move down to around 90 bucks. So the green and red indicator, that's called the Santa Claus indicator. No, just kidding. That is the whole ribbon indicator. You can Google it or look in my indicator channel on the Discord. All right. Besides that, I'm gonna go watch AMD today. This one is obviously still far enough away from earnings. Does have a little bit of a gap today. These are small account focused, and I don't know if we're gonna be able to trade it again today. I don't got my hopes up on China, which owns the brokerage. So it's Futu actually. But for AMD, I'm gonna want to see it either above 82.70. Where we could see another retest of highs somewhere around 83.50 and or $84. And then a gap fill to the downside, I have AMD needing to break below 80.50, and then ultimately settling around 79.84. That is the floor or the top of, or that is the demand zone top. So we would want to go ahead and break through that and hit this. And then let me also add that AMD has a lower time frame, 15-minute dynamic trend line here that it's sitting on and bounced off of in pre-market. So we're looking for that gap down fill to essentially close a candle around 80.50 to confirm a trend break and a potential break to the downside. So. And that's it. So we'll see if Mumu lets us do the small account thing today. I did post, if you guys look at the Discord, the deposit things on the 14th. So I'm like kind of like wondering what the hell's going on here. So anyway, Manny,
Yeah.
take it away.
Everything does like shit.
That sounds good. All right, guys. Stay long. See you later. No, just kidding.
We got down channels yesterday, at least on 5 with Hughes, and we gapped them today.
I mean, I'm not disagreeing with you. I'm not. Everything is short lived. You know what I mean? And we're going into earnings season, which like is kind of difficult. You know, like it's difficult. It's fun. You can catch some like really good trades, but you also have to like kind of be careful because like for us anyway, day traders like to like going into moves like today, a lot of the times other sector earnings or just earnings in general can affect the overall market. So like even just swing trading into the next day. Yeah, so I don't know about swing trading until next week for me personally, but
I BM got some channels that are short below. You know what I mean? But those options was be worth like around like
Rollman's got the shorting or the swinging covered. That's just me. I'm not. I feel like it's gonna be pretty choppy, but I'm tired of staying in range, Manny. Like if you look, dude, if you like Tesla is either ramping up to make like a historic dump, or like a do what it used to do and just rip a bajillion miles into the or a jillion dollars into the.
so it's just trying I guess today is the day where we should wait till 10 a.m. and just try to integrate everything and make some money because at the open, the open, I should correlate. I should actually say better. When I say things are trash, I relatively mean the opening trade is that there's no opening trade. I don't mean like the whole day, I expect the whole day to be shit, it is this. But personally, anytime I say the market is trash, I'm just talking about the open. Because anytime the open has direction, that tends to be the sentiment of the day. When the open is mixed like this, that tends to be the sentiment of the day. If that makes sense. So to me, this open is going to be trash because we have amazing channels that we could have continued or rejected today, and we got them. So there's that.
If those gaps fill aggressively, we can maybe talk some shop. But
yeah, I know. If we talk, look at those gap fills. Ooh.
Apple actually, I just posted that chart on Apple. Apple's got a very definitive rejection off of the top of that 4-hour channel, and I'd like to I'd like to see a gap fill down and a close underneath 146.50. That would be lead you likely down to 145.50, and then I've got a floor around 143.50. When's earnings on Apple? I'm live on YouTube, guys. If you guys have any Discord or or if you guys want to hit the link in the bio, I don't know what I'm talking about this morning. Red book is about to come out. Why is my briefing calendar leaving the red book out?
Well, Kilo Garrett in the gap fill scenario.
Yeah.
Yeah, we get that. It should be really, really good. Yeah, excuse me, I'm so bad.
Shopify partners with YouTube to scale the creator economy.
Shopify split, the stock is untradeable now. I don't care about that.
What about some liquidity? It is gapping up actually.
Today is the last trading day before VIX expiration. And this has been associated with strength in months.
Shop above $35. There's a gap fill to 35.50.
This week, we have like most of Aaron's earnings, right?
Yeah, a lot of it. Hell yeah.
Oh, that's funny. We have a pharmacy on Wednesday as well. And what a mess next week, dude.
Damn.
Shit.
Yeah, shit is right. Yeah, shot would need to go and break and hold. In here. So $36. I don't really like shop. I would say Apple actually looks pretty good. I might watch Apple. Holy cannoli. It's not ready. Or I don't know yet. Is actually the right answer to that. I have no idea. I'm checking right now.
So there's still been low put demand. There has been a lot of protection buying across equity markets. And what has been making it hard for the market to extend its rally has actually been the bond market. So that's where we need to settle down. I'm not the bond fan, that's all assets. But it's not going to depend on Powell. If Powell gives nice expectations next week, then that could, calm down the bond markets, and then we'll probably see an equity rally. Brainerd is speaking today, in the afternoon, so keep that in mind. I'm having an open trade station.
Tesla's probably gonna see some volume today. It's got a lot of volume in pre-market.
I think just looking at slides daily, I think the move for today is actually pretty simple. But before I say it, just know we're stuck in the middle. We're opening right in the middle. Basically, long above 390 and short below 380. If you look at SPY's daily, that is sort of the resistance pivot, which is 390, and the support pivot has been that 380 level. So it's a 10-point range. You get me? So what's going to happen? Let's say we start building at the open, right? We build all the way to 390 by 10 a.m. Good chance we could reverse at 390 as the resistance, and we're just going to, we're just going to start washing down. Or vice versa. We just start gap filling, and then we start seeing reversals happen, and the market starts to reverse up. Whatever the case, I don't like any individual equity name. So when that happens, I trade the SPY. Keep this in mind.
Damn. Damn.
By the way, do you guys like this countertop? Yours doesn't like it. Every set is ugly. And I have bad taste.
That's not what I said.
Bro, I'm gonna fix all of that, bro. Like that was temporary when I moved in. I'm gonna make all of that pretty. I promise.
Dude, what do you got hooked up in there, bro? What's all the other side of the
It's
camera?
like a T, so it's two different outlets. to control two different sites. But I have my own, like I have like a pattern literally just for the back.
Who's sassy?
I don't even remember.
Nice.
Click on the name, Gary.
I know who it is. I made that name. You changed it to a dog picture too, so that way it would feel right. That's dedication.
Keep hooking up.
If you guys are on TikTok, I'm gonna have to shut this down for just a second. I know. You guys can hit the link to the bio and go to the YouTube channel here for just a second. I need my phone for a second.
The guy that did it was from my idea, so yeah. That's exactly what it was.
Did we do crypto coin trading, Sean Trotter? Well, we have some guy we have some guy named Plunger who does a little bit of crypto here and there. No, it's Plunger. Sean Trotter. When did you move to Cuba, Manny? I don't think he moved to Cuba. Late last night. Shut up. Man just said I moved to Cuba late last night.
It's always been, always. Bro, just DJs need for a gift for like to say. Really? That gave it away? There's no water, there's no power in Cuba as this. I would say the birds gave it away. The irony is that those birds are Cuban birds. They may or may not be legal to have in the States. Well, that's parents, and then you breed the parents, and then you get the American version. When I was younger, though, when that was more acceptable, smuggling birds into like paper rolls from Cuba. My dad was gonna bring a pair that we had that we've had since I was actually born. Those little birds were old, man. But my grandmother, she rests in peace. So it was like a pair, a boy and a girl. And my mom was like Cuba because she was a doctor at the time, and the dad wouldn't let doctors leave that easily to like 5 years. So superstition, she let out this beautiful pair of birds. She just opened the cage, thinking that was what my mom was still behind. But yeah, that's that story. We're interested to see what the market will do today. Bro, no sorry, man. My girl's just saying, she be telling me all the time, birds aren't real. Look at that bird. Look how it stares at you. That bird is not real. That bird is checking your face. It's scanning it. Like for what? To unlock my phone? It's triggered, man. Is this anybody's first earnings season? You know what I'm asking? And God is not. James on. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm in cave there. But you guys trading SPX, not even I. All right. So look in the mirror, because not even I. That's are crazy. Crazy. Because I'm a Dutch movie. Oh, the video as well. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I'm a Dutch. So this is where it's interesting. The daily on the video, that inverse pin bar gives me anxiety.
Yeah, right. Like,
Huh?
I mean, I kind of like it.
What?
The pin bar, I like it.
Yeah, the one in the video, right into the play.
Mm-hmm. The gap up was, let's just make a little bit of a gap up, but I'm just curious what we do, man.
I would have been happy, like, no, just hear me out. I would have been happy the video gapping down into like the 157 area, filling that gap that we left behind, and then we would recover the gap and sort of be safe. That would have been a nice, decent move for me because I don't want to long this pre-market move, this gap up, even off a bounce, and then I don't want to short it either because there can be semiconductor strength because of the floor, that little bit. It's like, what do I do? What do I do? What do you do? Shit, I don't even know. I'm just press word most of the times. Could you imagine if Pelosi actually showed it in a video?
Gonna be good.
Evil.
Why do so many people think that I'm somebody else? This is absolutely ridiculous. I think I get like 2 comments a day of people being like, "Is this you?" Like someone just tagged me in a TikTok of some dude doing bicycles. Does that look like me? I mean, kind of does look like me now when you look at it that way, but
No.
no, I mean when you look at it from afar.
You should change his workout.
Why? It's good for you. I use,
Workout is
I
not
use
heavy.
I use a kettlebell. Just wing it around, bust up on walls. No. Look at the band being on TikTok.
You probably said it to me when I wasn't in the right state of mind. Though, so also that's it. That tends to happen more often than it should. Why is there a guy in the chat named Baby Tommy Riddle?
Click on an egg.
Oh god, he's typing. Ah, okay, Mr. Tom. I mean, I knew it was in the total picture going away. Oh, yeah, I think you're pretty calm today, huh? Oh, that's nasty, Gary.
What?
Oh, yeah, that's disgusting.
What time is it? 8:96.
Nasty. Is that what I said?
I have a feeling it's going to be a weird trading day. I don't know why.
No, there's a message I sent in.
Ew.
Yeah, I mean, it's fun.
That's gross.
Oh shit.
Why were you watching a guy that looked like me do seductive dancing? That's the question, Mr. Joseph.
Oh, Joseph, yeah, that's a good question.
Huh? Are you a big fan?
You're big.
I'm just kidding. Oh God. Hell says. Why so sussy? Sorry. TikTok's really me.
Guys, so I'm watching Spy. I added some contracts. 390, 389 puts. Yes, they're super in the money. But this is going to be for that 10 a.m. reversal if it happens against 390, 389. I also added some NVIDIA contracts. I'm going to be watching. And this is going to be a light trade if I don't see any material bids. When I say material bids, I mean an order that makes sense, right? Not 100 shares, a big old order. So I'm going to watch NVIDIA 163 miles, which is the 5-day and the 20-day SMA, literally right there plopped together. So 163 or 162 bounce, that's literally a dollar range that NVIDIA has holding rising support. Remember, this is an anticipating trade for the open. If I don't get the bounce, I will get anything. I won't take it. If it breaks at the open, I won't take it. If it does anything but pull back and retest those moving averages, I will not take it.
Whoa. No. No. Who did that? You have to promise to be good.
Sorry, we are live. I know better.
I fixed it.
I agree to see the original. So I was finding a trade. They have the same AC that I have in the house.
Is it fighting?
Oh, not fine. Like it's starting that their AC broke.
Okay.
And they have the same brand, everything, same tons. And the supply tells me, no, there's no compressors for 3 months.
Wow.
There's no warranty compressors for 3 months.
Three.
I bought 3. And I put them in my storage just in case mine leaks.
Well.
It's not the type of thing you want to hear from
Yeah.
a company like Trade.
Yeah.
Just a heads up.
I mean, dude, I feel like now is the time to stock up on anything that's like shipped from China. If it's from China, I should stock up on it.
Yeah, it's issues with China because the unit is by train, but it's like their Chinese brothers.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Dude, my son, hold on. Guys, hold on one second. I gotta mute myself. Nice, dude. My son just got accepted into this school.
Nice, ew.
All right, I'll be back. Hold on, I got a call.
Ew, dude. Is that
All right, I'm back. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that. Okay, yo, AMD is up at that 8260 level in pre-market. Let's see what happens here.
okay? I gotta do it. Let me see if I can find. I don't know how you have CPI one, man. Or is it today? CPI rose in June. No shit. Yeah, certain dynasties or jet fuel prices, so like private Russia. This is nothing. Wait till Russia shuts off that natural gas. That's when the fun's gonna begin.
That's not fun. It's past.
We are at with F, a capital F.
Okay, AMD's above it, so we might get that retest of 8340. Watch the rejection of 8340 here at the bell.
Tomorrow's next expiration, Roddy. I don't know if you probably didn't know.
What's up, Mansky?
Yo,
So, dude,
Mansky, I love that.
I had an electrician in Lord.
hey, time to ask something else for his
If he does what he's doing,
Hey, quickly on energy, I just posted that things move so fast. I really wanted to see Halliburton, which is such a boss with the energy sector. 47% ripped profits. Profits are going to be great, but the valuation story and demand and just it's what people are willing to pay. And man, they're so far away from all-time highs. You're not seeing those rips to the upside because people there's so many bears on oil. I think it changes in the summer and the fall. I think they're going to have 110 oil for years. The forecasts are brisk out 4 or 5 years, but doesn't look like a big trade so far. So I'm just keeping my October, September post earnings longs, but they need a lot of help. So I'm staying away from energy for now. WTI charts looks pretty flat. I'm really watching the level today. I posted some good levels on Apple. Man, that should get a lot of volume. So that'll react to triples. So those are posted. Let me know if you have any questions. A couple good setups there. And then I'm watching the VIX, man. Just some key levels on the major indexes. The DI, the diamonds got hurt with IBM down. I think that cost them 50, 60 points. But still holding out hope that we can catch the bears off sides, and it could be we lose support on the VIX and it'll be game on. So kind of a long shot with that this much downside. The downside is just absolutely in the millions. So I don't know what they know. It's such a let's go. Let's go.
watch the rejection off of 171.50.
Remember, guys, the last thing we need is a build right off the open for a stock like NVIDIA, right? We want to see a pullback to possibly take it off the bounds.
The videos are that's what's
They're doing anything.
reject. Yeah, I'm watching.
Yes, NVIDIA. Okay, let's get the party started. Good luck.
Not yet.
There's five. Show me those bids, man.
I think Apple drops to 146.19 if we clear that gap.
There it is. There it is. There it was.
Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! I filled into. Oh no!
Come on, right here. Come on, come on,
No.
come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
So
Give me shit. Drop it.
son of a bitch. Son of a biscuit eating basketball player.
Like tons of fun bid. 3-8 is chasing Tesla. Right?
All right. Well, shit.
I want to see that 163 on the video. There's a little buyer at 164, but he got flushed out.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, they're gonna give me 163. Come on, man.
Accidentally just filled into a little bit too many meta puts. Is 170 strike. Literally didn't even mean to buy them. But it happened and here I am. So I'm watching and it's actually rejecting that 170, 146. So I'm gonna watch it and I'm just gonna take the pain. I'm already down, so. No, that was not on the small account. No, I haven't even tried the small account yet. Okay. Do that really quick. Right, Qs are starting to pull back.
I'm on the video. For 75 more cents.
Alright, I got a few of them now.
Yes. That. Oh. Oh, we open a top of 164.
I got it for $400.
Never mind.
What are you? Oh, we're sitting on top of Meta's 500 HMA. Are you building? Are you trying to take this up or down?
Maybe?
Yeah, Nvidia.
Yeah. Oh, I want 163 because that's where the demand is mostly sitting at. I want to stay on the tape. But it's holding 164. Like it's already wicked twice in literally the 3 minute. So it's gonna probably take off from here.
The Qs are just sitting in no man's land right now. But they're built right now. Facebook's building up.
Here's what it built, but it's what you just said.
If they build up, they've got 294 to that I think would be a retest there. And then if that happens, you're gonna see 171 or 170, 175 on Meta. We bounced off our 5 minute pivot on AMD. So it's simple. Like I said this morning, AMD would have to, well, there we go. AMD would have to close 82.18 underneath 82.18. Right now, it's trying to candle close above 82.65, which is the level that I was talking about this morning. So yeah.
Right, it's showing 163, man. Come on. The tape is holding low days, man. We need a huge reversal in the Qs. That this could be a decent trade though. Like building the build reversal.
I'm gonna put on Meta.
Alright, Q broke low day. Let's see 163 on the level 2. Sorry, I mean in the Q.
Need the HMA to get broken here. It's 170.25.
Alright, come on, come on.
Qs are falling. Facebook's not following along yet. AMD's popping down. Apple. Qs bounce. If they keep falling here, I see 190, 162. If they don't, if they break this low here. I forgot to watch that. Oh,
Shit, I think I
Baba.
talked about it with the video.
Baba.
Never mind.
Are you short now? Or? Oh no. So I'm sorry. Don't ignore me. Guys, Baba is at that level. Remember, I talked about 108 or 102. Below here you've got 101.85, which you just bounced off of. And then below that you've got 101.35.
Yes. 163 pounds. That was a nice trade. I think I'm good. I want to wait now for any holds above VWAP and any claims for the video. That was a nice trade if anybody bounced out 162.
Two large put sweeps in for Apple 140, 145. That was yesterday at the end of the day. There's a Meta. There's that resistance. Above that, we've got 172.35.
Nice, the video, nice.
All right, I already cut that out. I grabbed it.
I was coming for a guy, but it's a whole new wave.
Whole new wave, he says.
Yeah, dude. Like, boy, I filled the contract just moved like the stock moves like 3 cents of like $80.
172.50. We need to close this candle above 171.40.
Oh, Tesla trapped everybody at the top there. Crazy.
These are showing
That's
really,
flat $10.
these are acting weak. I'm having a feeling we might see a reversal, dude. We'll see. Have you tried? No. Just like trying to get something like far out of the money. That's like 10 cents, see if you get more.
Honestly, Nvidia has been holding up all over the tape. This is gonna probably keep moving.
AMD.
There's more buying than selling to the drops. So every drop is just a better exchange of liquidity. And look at the video right now.
I don't want to take Baba yet. I think Baba bounces at 100 at 101. My shitty open on continuation. 15-minute candle closes in 3 minutes and 50 seconds on Meta. I'm watching AMD as well and Baba, but Baba's too close.
And these are good. It's just about to take off.
Oh, yeah, well, I'm waiting for it to move. I need 83.50, but it's holding that point of control right now.
It's what's happening there is the same reason why I don't like bouncing when indices are dropping. Like Nvidia has noticeable strength trying to take out off, but then the Qs is like losing bids. So then it's any pop in Nvidia it's getting sold into. And any drop is getting bought out. It's like a whole little chop fest going on. Tesla is just, my God, what a trap at 740, man. This is why I say, you know, like I love trading Tesla as much as the next guy, but you have to know when to trade Tesla. Today was not the day. When Tesla doesn't have a spotlight, this is how it trades.
Q's below 291.50. And I think we'll see short action, but right now we're fine.
You know, we're about to get a 15-minute range and then it's slide same range. A and B though, the noticeable strength compared to like everything. And even Nvidia's will flipping up like that.
I don't know.
Nvidia just lost 163.
I'm hold on. I'm looking at a
2, 3,
light entry.
5, 6, 4, 6,400 shares at 163 got filled.
Okay, so this candle is going to close on Meta below 191. We got a minute and 41 seconds. The Q's just tapped off that trend line that I was talking about. 291.68, 291.50, somewhere in there. Okay, so do we move from here? I'm thinking about grabbing a 160, 165 put for this week if we do see a breakdown. But if we bounce, and if I see a small account trade, guys, I'll let you know. Right now, I'm not seeing it quite yet. So let's see if we can get filled on something though. I'm gonna buy a 160 put on Meta.
Or people.
I'm just testing it out. Nope. Okay. God damn it, dude. Right. Well, back over to the other account. Hold on.
Your alarm mortgage maker that gave me that horrible bid on the video. If you're tuning into a stream or streams, I will find you. I won't beat your ass.
You know what? I think I'm gonna grab that 165 now on Meta. Just slightly. Only goes one. 165 this week. Just one. Just one. Watching for the cues to break especially 291.26. I got a 165. This week I'm up 6%.
Oh, dude, I guess what we said earlier is going to be a wave. Can they reversal up? Or are we just going to watch that for the whole day?
Might add here. I'll do some like,
What is that? Jordan Apple. Never had this thing. Ever since this bear market became, it hasn't been the same.
I like meta if we close this 5 minute. There we go. Okay, add. Right. Looking for a leg down here to 169.11. We yeah, we got it. I'm in lightly, but I need the cues not to bounce right here. I need them to break below 190.150. I just said that was the bounce level. We've got a complete engulfment on the 15 minute for meta, and then a big gap below us. So right now I need the cues to stay below 292.30. And I need this 5 minute candle with 1 minute and 35 seconds to close with this engulfment. So AMD completely reversed. That's still sitting on its pivot point. Fuck. Yeah, if you're in Baba already, I gave you that 101, 108. If you're in Meta, what these? Oh, sorry, Zuckerberg.
Dude, my electric phone looks so super nice.
What does my room? My
Yeah.
oh, my living room. Thank you. I appreciate that. Come on, don't do it. The cues are bouncing. Hold on. I mean, it's not enough. I'm not saying skedaddle or anything. I'm just saying they are bouncing.
We talk about Tesla for today. I don't think Tesla is like a decent stock to trade today.
Same
Right
thing.
now there's just so much demand on the hourly that it can just go either way. Here's a screenshot. Those indicators are demand.
Shit. Come on, cues. Lose to 91.35.
What's Tesla's pre-market low? 726.
Hold on.
No, 723. That's when the data started coming in on the chart. No, it's 726. I would short against 726, 725. But just keep seeing selling pressure on Tesla.
Second entry is down less than 1%. It's down 1% right now. So still watching, being patient. It's Tuesday. I think so.
Yeah. Well, I'm so tired every time I try to control my office ACs. I turn on the AC in the house.
Keys are building down. Be patient. So my biggest concern here is below this 160 is 169.25 and 169 even. So I need the cues to give us a push down. I'm looking at 290.13. Can I look at Haas? Not quite yet. I can on my other computer, but I can't switch my screen right now. It's a big hourly bounce candle though. That's what that is. Falling wedge. All right, come on, let's go, let's go. $165 puts. Meta. No, we're not. The Qs are bouncing pretty hard, so I might end up trimming risk here. Not yet, I haven't, but as long as I mean, if we end up bouncing here, notably in volume, we've got 7 minutes for this 15-minute candle on Meta. We've got 2 minutes for this 5-minute candle. There we go. A little bit of a pushback there. Off the 9. Let's push down here. Move to one. Yeah, 169.20.
I'm actually up back.
Oh my God, AMD, yo, watch out! Hold on, guys. They're bouncing semis, so that we might get bounced. Hold on.
Yeah. Oh damn, it's Kramer mad.
It's mad, man. Holy shit, AMD is.
Are we getting news?
Please, that's gonna watch the AMD 8366. That's the keys are bouncing. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out. Not cut out. Excuse me, trim out.
You're gonna cover your meta short?
Thinking about it right here. My fingers are on the trigger.
Think. Come on, think. I know you can think
No.
better. Come on.
I think I'm gonna. What is it here? We're holding. Yeah, we're holding that level. Okay, I'm trimming out now. Are you serious? You're not gonna film me there? Okay. All right, I got out of 1. Or yeah, I got out of 1. Okay, the Qs are rejecting 292.50. I need some push power. AMD's bonkers, dude. 83.58. I'm still in. I'm just down. I just had to reduce a little bit of risk. Just because the semiconductors are showing a lot of strength right now. We might see Qs follow.
I hope Kramer responds to my tweet. I heard.
AMG squeezed all of those people out.
You know, if the video returns VWAP, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna want to go a bit free.
I'm not getting stuck in the position today.
It closed below. It closed below VWAP, so now we gotta wait. I gotta put it in Twitter jail. My God, I missed.
Patience. Okay, no more patience. Yeah, Qs are squeezing out. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it. I'm cutting out now. Small loss, literally, just a small loss. I'll re-enter if I see something, but the Qs are pushing up. So I'm out of the Facebook trade here. Oh, they dropped that fast. All right, little scrape there. We're still underneath the 9. If you're in next week's contracts, obviously different story, but I have to get out of that. All right. Still watching? That was literally just like no big deal. Listen, we've got a massive daily resistance above us. So I'm not going up, okay? I'm not until I see like I mean, we'd have to like see unreasonable strength here, and yeah. The Qs are starting to pick up speed here a little bit. There's that. Okay, perfect. 292.80. We see a little rejection. Now we're seeing some weaker candles from Meta, but again, this is ugly. Q bouncing. Look at these weak candles though on the Meta right now, staying below the 9, having a hard time with that point of control. There it is. Want to put a whole if you guys should have cut, right? That there's no big deal. Shouldn't be down a lot. Let's see. Let me look at my orders really quick. $235. Yeah, I sold mine. Bought it at $235 and sold it at $215. So, are you done trading?
But wait,
No, no, no. I'm just asking. Baby Tom Riddle. Are you? It's not over yet, dude. Like, just keep watching. Meta is showing a divergence from the Qs moving to the upside. So that's all right. Hey, you know what? Nice job taking a little one. But look at what we're avoiding by not hoping, by just establishing, okay, we closed the candle above 292.60. It's time to get out. And we got out, and look at all the pain that we're avoiding right now. So if you did the right thing, you're out. The Qs look a whole hell of a lot better than
these cues,
yeah,
they're
bro.
like crazy.
Qs are going crazy. Watch Qs to obviously 293.80 and 294. Meta is closing this 15-minute candle. That's actually pretty ugly. It's got a doji right now. I dropped Baba. All right. Look at that. $11. No big deal. Although Baba kind of looks pretty good for more downside though.
This is a very aggressive VWAP
Not yet.
playing on the video. So FYI.
AMD's doing it. It's at the 500 HMA and R1. That's that. Look at that 83.65, 83.66. Like I told you, that's where we're seeing that candle close. Oh shit, there it is. Look at the 15-minute on Meta. They're trying to take it down. No way they double top it and sink it. Nuts. Look at this 15-minute close on Meta, man.
Yeah.
Look. I don't want to short it. What a weird day. Hold on, I'm gonna take my foot off the brake or off the gas here. Should we go? Maybe let me go look out next week. Wow, your brokerage is a perma bear. Or well, AMD heading towards trend line resistance. Yeah. That seems pretty damn reversal looking there, Meta.
Anybody buying the NVIDIA dip? That's textbook. I'm off for today, bro. Have a good day, Governor.
There you go.
I'm off.
What do I do? Have a good day, man.
All right, man. Take it easy. Have a good day, guys.
Matt, rugby, nice. Yeah, I'm not in anything right now, guys. That I've gotten. I haven't gotten into anything else. I'm just watching. This is excruciating price action, so we don't have to take a trade. We need to make sure that it's high probability. I know that you see green candles on AMD. If you're not already in, then don't just FOMO. Nice job, dude. Yeah. The Qs are pulling back now. Same trend. This sucks. I hate when days are all choppy like this. But I did say that I felt like it was going to happen. And here we are. All right. I see a little bit of a consolidation pattern, possibly. This might be a double top. We'll find out here shortly. Be patient. There's more than one gap. Okay. There's more than one trade here on Meta. At 15 minutes, looking awful spicy. All right, we're under the 9. We're rejecting our 1. There it is.
Yo, Derek.
Yes, yeah.
Dude, what the hell?
Yeah.
Dude, I got sold that NVIDIA bounce. I'm getting wrecked, bro.
Yeah. Destroyed.
Oh my god.
There goes
Man, I'm
Baba.
about to get up and I see everything just getting hammered, bro.
Yeah. We'll find out. There it is. Okay, so I'm looking at the Meta again. I'm not in.
Man, sorry to hear that, man. That was what a listing price. Was that news?
Tough, bro.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah.
I don't see any news, man.
Look at that chart.
Huh?
Look at that level that I posted on Spottery. That was right outside of the golden pocket.
All right, I only got posted. Yeah,
Yeah.
Hold on.
that's wild. Look at Tesla, dude.
Oh damn, dude. Yo, did anybody take that off? Oh man. Oh dude. Look at it. It is busting. Wow. Anybody took that off this morning. I look at literally to the T. Guys, I gotta see a break for Qs. I gotta see a break here. Meta might be worth legging into.
That is wild, dude. Right. You know, people got wrecked in this last like
Well,
10 minutes.
I mean, I think we might see. I mean, I'm looking at a possible position in the meta, but I think that looking at the Qs right now, we might see another. It might bounce back up on us. Um,
By the way, the same reason for the Nvidia's reclaim so aggressive. So what caused it was, believe it or not, the same person who did the Apple thing for us on Friday.
oh wow,
He bought over 100 something contracts and triggered an algo frenzy.
Jesus,
What is wrong with him?
I don't know.
Because he just messaged me telling me what he did, and when I saw the timestamps, it all correlates. The same thing that happened Apple. This is what happens when you trade in a low volume environment with with size.
Yeah, I'm just waiting right now. Test.
He isn't the only one. We have traders here that do this. Just I don't want to put them out there.
Yeah, right. Like, look at that bounce, guys. Look at the Qs. Look at that. All right. Little rejection. Let's see the Qs die.
All right, no, I'm walking out right okay. I just wanted to know, like, what the hell, dude? What was that? Because that was insane.
Did anybody take that Tesla trade, by the way? Guys, I gave you guys the 740 retest level. It literally hit it on the 740.78 and then flushed down clean as anything. It's sitting at 714. It's got a 711.36 down below it. Oh man. So what do we do? Do we bounce up now and completely explode to the upside? What do we do? Look at it. Look at Meta. Look at it. It's bull flagging. It's kind of a sitting triangle. Look at this mess, guys. You're sitting on cash? No, I'm not. Yeah, I'm watching right now. Meta's gonna give us another bounce right here. Watch 170, 137 if it clears this 9. Do you see that? Do you see that on the tape? Anybody? I hate days like this. So choppy. I don't know, y'all. Don't be biased. Cues are breaking. Cues are breaking, and this is a flag. So we'll see. I'm not really keen on taking it to the upside. The Qs have to close above that mark right now. It just wicked up, hit 293.40 and rejected. So that candle needs to close up. Otherwise, it might be. See, we could, if we remember what I talked about, if we do leave the 172.50s, and right now, I mean, this is looking pretty juicy. That's nice. Right now, if we go back down, that's going to be a third tap of this little triangle right here, and we might see a pull back down, but we'll see. It's so stupid and consolidated. If you're not in anything, just wait. Literally, just let the trade set up. Okay. Tesla. All right, there we go. That's the third rejection off the top. Let's get a close underneath that. Remember this level I talked about is 291.85. Watch Meta. If you're looking at the 165 puts, we need to see it close down below this low, 169.50. And then the next target right here is just 169 even. There's a bear flag on Baba. Watch Baba to pop down to $100.75. If we can break down from here, the market is struggling to pick a direction, dude. This is excruciating. All right, I got one 165 meta put here. Just one. I'm not gonna be mad if it reverses or anything like that, but I'm gonna watch. I'll be right back. Hold on 1 second. Why is the market so dumb, guys? Hey, I didn't even mean to get in the purse, but I'm down slightly right now. I really feel like if you're trying to take something, it might be you took $100 loss on Baba. It hasn't cleared yet, but I mean, I guess if it hit your stop loss, that's your stop loss. So oh, all right. Wow. Told you guys. I thought it was a flag. I'm down $28 on this contracts, guys. I'm not sad. Yeah, I mean, right now this is look, this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. This price action. You know what? This is, and I'm not down a lot. So like, I just want you guys to know that I'm literally just like, I mean, I had a couple boo boos, and I got out at a really good time. So I'm literally just sitting and watching, and I think Meta might bounce and go and hit resistance, but we're looking at like a daily breakout right now. Yeah, I got kids, you know, I can't help with the boo boos. I one time when I was on a construction site, I was like telling everybody, you know, you gotta let people know where you're going so you don't get crushed by something. Good look on Baba. And I was like, all right, guys, I gotta go potty. And I like walked away and I just kind of realized what I said. No, I haven't cut the. I'll let you guys know when I cut. I'm watching right now. I'm down $17. They're shorting the pop, so. And listen, I mean, I might add to this, but once if 169 breaks, we're gonna get this gap fill. If this gap fills, this is the third time approaching this level. I'm probably, if I hold, runners are gonna might go into this gap. I'm not saying we're gonna get this entire dump today. I mean, that's a big dump, but I'm banking on at least 167 as a good TP target right now. So we need to see this Q. You know, we need to see keep closes like this on the Qs. We can't see that pop back up. But they are shorting this, so, and you can see this area of selling right here, right? So we know, we could even just say like right here, we know that if we clear back above this, there's a possibility that those individuals get squeezed out. Nice, very nice. Tinkling's always good. Down $27 right now. It's probably gonna go pop resistance right now if it clears the 9. It's one contract, so I'll probably be down to like $50 if it does. Yeah, I'm just waiting. It's kind of a bear flag right now if you look at it on the 5, but Qs are getting shorted down. That's that area of selling, so yeah. Stupid price action right now. Oh, come on. We can get an hourly close like this. A doji. What do we got? 4 minutes left. Okay, let it go. 171.14. And what is it going to falsely break out? You could grab a call if you're in 1 put, but it doesn't want to drop right now. But look at the Qs. That's what I'm looking at. I'm not looking at Facebook. I mean, Facebook can lead, but I think the Qs are leading ultimately. Okay, so there we go. Again, a daily breakout today just seems unlikely. All right, we opened above the 9. All right, just like I thought, we're down around 40 bucks, 40, 45 bucks. Qs are pushing. Price action. Baba's holding underneath 103.15. All right, that's a possibility to squeeze out here. All right, pulling up the sell order. There it is. So that is a bull flag, like I said. There goes the cues. Let's see what it does, but we're above that level now. If they can pull it back under, that's good, but I'm still in. I just have my finger right on the trigger. Don't take today personally. Yeah, this is tough trading. AMD is still going. Jesus Christ. 84.50. Cues are moving. There goes Facebook. All right, well. All right, that's it. I'm not gonna. If you guys have upside stuff, that's good. Um, again, meta. I told you guys this morning. I'm not really up for trading these type of conditions. Meta is at its daily resistance. The high here is 172.50. If it makes it above 172.50, then you have a gap, and I'll hop back on it. I'll trade it. But right now, there's no trade for me. You guys are welcome to that. Look at that hourly candle closing bullishly. Yeah, so Qs are probably going to head up here. Right now, they're retesting this level. Yes. Yeah, AMD for sure. I don't know, because I wouldn't even take it to the upside right now. I mean, the Qs have been moving way better than the Facebook. Facebook's kind of lagging. So, I mean, you could see a rejection here at the Qs because we are retesting. And then, like, they shake people out with that, but no puts. Yeah, we're smacking that. Damn, dude. Gotta shake it off. Double top. Where? On Facebook? Oh, AMD. That is a little scary. But it's still holding trend. So I mean, it could pop into an ascending triangle. Yeah. No use stressing about it. Yeah, it's 10:30. 10 a.m. reversal. Or finished with the 10 a.m. reversal, it seems like. It might be sell the news. Yeah, buy the rumor, sell the news on that one. Tesla is giving you a retest of that trend. But listen, at this point, guys, with Meta, it's probably just best to wait for, you've got 169 and 169.60. That's you don't have a ton of room, so you probably want to like look for underneath the 9-day moving average entry, and then 169.17, 169.15 bounce there, and then from there, um, obviously I've got the gap fill 167.50. So but the Qs are rejecting that level that I showed you guys. But the price action is just so crazy right now, guys. I'm just going to exclude myself from it. It does look like there's a possibility for a wedge, and this is probably going to take until after lunch. So, all right, I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and meet with a couple students, and then I'll hop back on. So, peace. Listen, if you're on TikTok right now, here, listen, or if you're on YouTube right now, listen, uh, this is really, really like this is where you have to be realistic and say, look at, I mean, just look at Meta, look at the Qs. These are really, really hard trading conditions. You've got a giant wick down. Price action is really erratic. So give yourself some credit if you got out of trades when you were supposed to, if you've used your stop loss, if you took a loss, whatever the case may be, it is what it is. Just uh, wait till you get the move that you want. Look at Meta rejecting that top. But guys, I'll be back on possibly TikTok, but I'll be in the Discord later today. So if you guys are Discord members, but I'll catch you guys later. Peace.